353,210 clicks. That is how much traffic I've got from this one traffic source, and that traffic source is leadsleap.com. Now, these numbers are not your typical numbers. Alright, I've been a member of LeadsLeap for, over 10 years. And you can also see that I've earned over $9,000 in commissions from LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap has evolved into an awesome business opportunity, and it really is an all-in-one marketing platform. So in the beginning, LeadsLeap was really just an advertising platform. You just posted ads, and you could put a widget on your blog or your website that would display ads, so you could earn credits that way, and you'd get extra credits for referring people and so on. It was like a traffic exchange, but they've added so much more. Okay, they've got a link tracking system, they've got email marketing system, an autoresponder that you can set up. They've got a page builder, funnel builder. You can create pop-ups as well for your websites. There's image hosting and PDF hosting. They've got a click-to-earn system as well, where you can actually earn money for clicking on ads. Okay, you know, if you want an easy side hustle that will take you 30 minutes a day or something, join LeadsLeap and become an affiliate. Get referrals to LeadsLeap. Use their tools to grow your business. Alright, you can get a list. And then a page builder. Usually page builders cost $50 and up a month. But this one, it's free. There are some features that are exclusive to Pro members, which I'll talk about shortly, about the Pro membership. But all of these tools here are free to use, except for a couple of special features that are limited to Pro users. So really, you can advertise your website, you can advertise your squeeze page, you can advertise another business opportunity on here. I recommend you promote your own squeeze page so you can get subscribers on your list, because the power of marketing is in email marketing and having your own list. So this is one of my go-to advertising platforms. I've got ads constantly running. I'm constantly getting new subscribers on my email list. That's how I'm able to sell a lot of my products, a lot of products as an affiliate as well. And I also make a nice commission from LeadsLeap as well by referring other Pro members. So yes, I am a Pro member. It costs at the moment, I think, $20 a month. And the Pro membership unlocks the Pro ads. So you never really have to click for credits. You get advertising credits every month, so your ads will show constantly and constantly. Okay, so that is the main reason I wanted to upgrade. And another nice perk of being an upgraded member is that your commissions from your referrals to LeadsLeap actually gets boosted up. I think free members can get like 20 or 25% commissions, but a Pro member will get 50% commissions. So that's a nice little extra perk as well. So if you get 2 paid referrals under you, your membership is free. Easier said than done, I know. Not always works like that, but I'll show you. So here are my followers, and on level 1 I have over 1,000 direct referrals. And the way I've been able to get these 1,000 referrals is just passively. Like, I've put banners on thank you pages, and I've put emails in my autoresponder list promoting LeadsLeap. I've got a blog post on my blog where I review LeadsLeap and introduce them to this advertising source. And then these are my downline followers. So this earns me a nice recurring income. Now, these 1,000 followers are not all Pro subscribers. I guess about 10 or 15, I'm not exactly sure. Between 10 and 15 members are Pro members. So that gives me a nice little commission every month. Okay, you can do the math there. It's probably about between $200 and $300 a month in commissions that I earn passively. I don't promote LeadsLeap excessively. I just promote it quietly on thank you pages and through my autoresponder. So you can do the same thing. You You can make review videos and put them on YouTube. You can put a link on your thank you page, put a review on your blog about it, and let it passively work for you to get followers. It has delivered a lot of traffic for me, 353,000 views over the last, I want to say, probably about 10 or 12 years, about that. I've been a member, which if you work out over 12 years, divide that by 12, okay, that's about 29,434 per year, which is still a considerable number of visitors. I mean, for $20 a month, you can either blow $20 on PPC traffic, which will get you about 20 clicks, and maybe 3 or 4 subscribers, okay, or you can spend $20 at Leads Leap, and you can set up your pro ads as well as your free ads, okay. I think, yeah, you get a total of 10 ads as a pro member, and you get credits automatically every month. I'm not exactly sure how many credits you get, but I'm sure you can find the number somewhere. But it is worth it because you don't have to worry about clicking for credits, and you don't have to worry about renewing your ad if you stay a free member. Okay, free members, you get 10 ads as well, but you have to renew the ads frequently, and you have to earn the credits so your ads will show. So you basically have to click on other people's ads to earn credits for your ads to show. So I prefer the hands-free method, which is getting the pro ads. So my ads show no matter what. I can be out driving or playing with my kids or snowboarding on the mountain, and I'll still be getting my ads shown and traffic to my websites. Let me know if you join Leads Leap under me. I can give you some extra pointers on how to get referrals to Leads Leap. I have some special secret tools, namely a re-brandable PDF and a squeeze page that you can set up and give away, and that will help you get referrals to Leads Leap. Okay, so if you want that, get in touch with me. I think you'll really dig it. So if you're interested in joining Leads Leap, check the link in the description below. Sign up, get your free account, and have a look at the upgrade account. You'll see the offer page right after you make your account. If you think the pro membership is going to help you, I highly recommend you get it. As I said, with the pro membership, you get ads, you get all the awesome features of all the tools that they've got here. You can really grow a significant online business and grow a list using Leads Leap, because they've got pretty much everything you need. Tracking, autoresponder, page builder, pop-up creator, PDF hosting, image hosting. Okay, there isn't much more that you need to be able to run a profitable business. So join up with Leads Leap and get in touch with me. Let me know that you joined up, and I'll be speaking to you soon. Alright, thanks a lot. This is Stu Sterling. I'll catch you later.